power of energy. Yo, listen up. Ever felt completely drained, like life's running you instead of the other way around? What if I told you, there's a secret power inside you, waiting to explode, your energy? Stick around, 'cause I'm about to show you how to unlock it and flip your whole life. Man, he was running on fumes, felt like his legs were made of lead. Then bam, he found a crazy kind of power he didn't even know was inside him. Story. Raj was stuck in the grind. Wake up, drag himself to work, come home wiped out. Rinse, repeat. Every day felt like hitting a wall. And every night, he'd scroll through socials, see everyone killing it, living life, making moves, and think, why the hell not me? It wasn't like he was dumb or lazy. Dude had skills. But by the time he got around to chasing dreams, he was toast. His energy? Gone. Leaking out everywhere. Slowly, it got to him, creeping in his head like, bro, you ain't enough. One rainy night, Raj's chilling on the balcony, staring at the wet streets glistening like neon lights, feeling drained AF. Then his old buddy calls out of nowhere. Yo Raj, gotta show you something. Dude sounded hyped. Raj shrugged, curiosity piqued. Next day, they hit this sketchy little gym. No fancy machines, just a few people moving like they owned the world. His buddy said, it's not about muscles, man. It's energy. Tap into it, life flips. Raj raised an eyebrow. Energy? Come on. But there was fire in his buddy's eyes. So he stayed. The coach, this chill, almost zen dude, laid it down, energy ain't just physical. It's mental, emotional, spiritual. Every thought, every feeling, every move burns it. Waste it, or direct it, that's how you live large. Raj listened. Slowly, stuff clicked. He started noticing mental leaks, negative self-talk, guilt, scrolling mindlessly, draining his vibe. He flipped the switch. Focused on gratitude, curiosity, and straight-up action. The workouts? Not your usual pump. More like breathing, flow, syncing mind and body. First few days. Trash. He was all over the place, energy scattered. But bit by bit, he felt lighter. Mind sharper. Exhaustion? Fading. Then one afternoon, boom. Something clicked. Energy surged like a lightning bolt. Heart pounding, mind firing. He was awake, alive, unstoppable. Raj got it, energy isn't from sleep or coffee, it's the juice you generate, protect, and feed. He had been running dry for years. Raj started flexing this energy lifestyle outside the gym too. Tasks that used to crush him? Easy. Deadlines, problems, stress. Now they fueled him. People noticed the change. Colleagues, strangers, everyone was like, damn, what's different? Then the real test hit. Huge project at work went sideways. Old Raj would have freaked. But new Raj? Chill, focused, full throttle. He led the crew, solved problems, nailed it. Victory tasted sweeter, because he knew the secret now. Energy makes stuff happen. Months later, life had flipped. Creativity, focus, happiness, they were all up. Raj learned the real deal, energy isn't about doing more, it's about being more, living fully, with purpose. Years down the line, people asked his secret. He grinned and said, it ain't hard work. It's energy, man. Protect it, feed it, own it, everything else follows. Alright fam, that's the secret, your energy is your superpower. Guard it, feed it, flex it. Stop giving it away to trash vibes or useless stuff. Channel it right, and watch life bend in your favor. If you felt that hit, smash that like, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs this energy boost. And remember, don't just chase success, own your energy, and success will chase you. Peace out.